Here in the garden, it's a place where there is a lot of butterfly figurine, and it's nice. As you can see in video, you'll see birds, decoration, and many others, bench with places for pictures, many decorations for every taste. The one that I made for you, I made with heart. With heart. My heart is look, my husband, poor him. He needs to wait for me for taking picture, videos for everyone. Look, this flower is very cute. You will see somewhere in another kind of decorations. It's a pretty color, it's a pretty design, and here in Southern California is in this time is very hot days, and just why it's blooming flowers, and see, very, very pretty metal boards, and you will see everywhere because I made video pretty close to have almost details. As you can see here, this one is very cute. Okay, see you.